Google's latest AI image model, Nano Banana Pro, has officially launched, and suddenly you can turn your wildest ideas into studio-quality visuals. Want an infographic about chai, a sci-fi scene with floating robots, or a multilingual poster? Nano Banana Pro says, "Hold my banana." Please don't forget to like and subscribe, because before you dive in thinking you're the next AI Picasso, you deserve the full truth. The good, the weird, and the definitely risky. Built on Google's Gemini 3 Pro, Nano Banana Pro is a powerful image generation and editing model capable of rendering high-fidelity visuals with sharper detail, better reasoning, and deeper world knowledge. It supports blending up to 14 reference images while preserving character consistency, and gives you new creative controls like adjusting camera angle, lighting, focus, and even mood. You can generate in 2K and 4K resolution, produce clearly readable multilingual text, and every image carries an invisible Synth ID watermark for tracing. You can access it via the Gemini app, Google AI Studio, or through the Gemini API if you subscribe to the right Google AI tier. But make no mistake, there are some red flags. While Google has filtering in place, it's still possible to generate sensitive or conspiracy-style images, which means there's some risk of misinformation. The invisible watermark helps, but it's not obvious to casual viewers, so AI visuals could be misused. The cost for high-quality images aren't negligible. 2K versions reportedly cost around 14 cents, and 4K can run about 24 cents, which adds up fast if you're generating a ton. And despite its power, the model isn't perfect. Zoomed-in edits may require regenerating a new image, and really complex style transformations can sometimes distort proportions or introduce visual artifacts. So, should you use Nano Banana Pro? If you're a creator, designer, marketer, or educator, it's a huge step up and offers a serious creative boost. If you're a casual user, it's cool, but you might be surprised by the bill if you're doing lots of high-res work. And if you're concerned about ethics or misinformation, tread carefully. This tool is powerful enough to be misused, so use it responsibly. Google calls it pro, but in the wrong hands, it could make you less of a digital artist and more of a conspiracy chef. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and get brutally honest insights on AI tools, so your creativity stays lit, but your credibility stays grounded.